Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
You also carried like an actual baby almost with that prosthetics of 6 kgs. Tell me seriously, did you miss it when it was like the shoot was done and wo part?
No. That was one part I never missed because you know what used to happen, Sangi, what used to happen was that वो 5 की अभी मुझे ऑप्शन था कि आपको फोम बेली चाहिए तो वो बना सकते हो, हल्का सा होगा. बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक टू फील दैट वेट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अगर आप टेक में खाली सूटकेस उठा के रख रहे हो तो वो आप वैसे ही उठाओगे कि वो खाली है. जब वो भरा हुआ सूटकेस होगा तो योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंजेस. सो आई वाज लाइक नो इट्स फाइन, गिव मी लाइक एन एक्चुअल वेट. सो दे मेड इट लाइक 5-6 kilos. Now the thing was that it was here but it was hanging from here.
Oh, so your shoulders also gone,
straps.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so my shoulders, my back was like really gone.
Listen, Filmy Mirchi always gets very happy जब कृति, जैसे मतलब आयुष्मान कहते हैं प्रीति Sanin. That's what I started calling her from the time that I've realized that's what he calls her. This is Sangi and Filmy Mirchi par welcome.
Thank you after a very very long time. Although honestly this doesn't feel like how promotions feel. पहली बात मैं अकेली हूँ जो बहुत ही रेयर होता है, और दूसरी बात हम आमने सामने नहीं हैं, हम Zoom call पे हैं. Very weird. I'm not getting the feel. I'm still dressing up because I'm like, I want the feel of promotions.
Kriti, I have spoken to you in like different phases of your life and different films, and this is एक film जो तुमने मतलब अपने कंधों पर अभी lift कर दिया है, deadlift. How does it feel finally coming to a point in your life when this whole film is you? Yeah,
I mean, yeah, obviously it feels great, and as an actor I think we kind of crave to get characters like this, and बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आते हैं. मुझे पता है मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम होने वाली है क्योंकि आगे भी एक बार you get greedy as an actor. You see when you've done so much in a film, it's given you so much scope to go all out, show different shades, be there in every single frame. I think somewhere as actors we also get like, arey yaar, I want to do this again. But this kind of a film comes in your career only like 1-2 times.
Listen, am I right? Lakshman, when he came to you with this role, उन्होंने कहा था कि देखो भाई तुम कैसे करोगी है, तुम कैसे प्रेग्नेंट लड़की बनोगी और तुम ये रोल कैसे निभाने का सोच रही हो. And then you were like, अब मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. Is this?
No. That was not Lakshman sir. Actually, that was actually Dinu, our producer. And he didn't say it like that. He kind of he has this thing with me where he knows me so well कि he's like इसके साथ reverse psychology चलती है बहुत ज़्यादा. जब उसको बोलो ना कि तू मुझे नहीं लगता कि तू कर सकती है, she will like be at it and she'll be like, I will show you. So that's my personality. You know it. Yeah. Leos are a little bit like that. My motivation happens differently. So while I think he was kind of seeing me in the beginning bit of Mimi, where she is this, really, I mean, chulbuli, mufat kind of a ladki who she talks to Ranveer Singh's posters and she's, she can give a whack to anyone. That kind of a girl, spicy, spunky. He was like, I think being a mother is an emotion that you haven't obviously gone through, and it's something that you will not be able to relate to because I'm an engineer. Everything for me works logically, and with motherhood it's the kind of selfless love, there is no logic to it.
Correct.
So he was like, I don't know how you will be able to pull it off, so like you have to be careful. I don't know if you can do it. So I was like, what do you mean? I will show it to you. There was just so much to emote and play, and for me I think Mimi was divided into 2 schedules. There was a happy schedule and there was a sad schedule.
हाँ तो ये क्या है happy schedule and like ये कभी लाइफ में?
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली उसकी लाइफ की जर्नी ही ऐसी है. वो शुरू में जैसी है वो बहुत चुलबुली है और सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा है उसकी लाइफ में, and even when she agrees to become a surrogate, it's all like for the money, and she feels like her dreams are going to come true, and she's happy about the whole thing till the couple leaves, and that flips her life. So
this is your story. I didn't know this, Kriti. Unless, I mean, only when Mimi came out मुझे ये पता चला कि actual हुआ है. इंडिया में
ऐसा हुआ
है
एक्चुअली, ऐसा हुआ जी. एंड इनफैक्ट उसके बाद द सर्विसी लॉज हियर गॉट स्ट्रिक्टर. Now foreigners are not allowed to come here and take a surrogate from here. So this is actually based before the laws changed.
मतलब क्या अभी आफ्टर यू पुट ऑन वेट व्हाट वर द थिंग्स यू डिसाइडेड कि नहीं खाना है, मुझे देखना भी नहीं क्योंकि मैंने ये इतना खा लिया है वेट पुट ऑन करने के लिए?
मैंने उस टाइम पे बहुत कुछ इतना ज्यादा खा लिया था, मतलब डिजर्ट्स मैंने इतने खा लिए थे, फ्राइड चीजें. आई वाज क्रेविंग फॉर खिचड़ी आफ्टर अ पॉइंट बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक and you've seen me eat. So I eat everything. There is no diet food happening in my thing. I used to come to your thing and have McDonald's
and have burgers, dude. I still remember.
So my problem was ulta, where the dietitian was struggling. She's like, your body burns all the calories that you're taking in. How do I make you gain weight? So the only way was to increase my appetite. That means have more quantity at a point. That means when I'm full and when I'm not hungry anymore, I still stuff food in.
Oh God.
Yeah. So it was that, and that was not. It was fun for like beginning, having burgers, pizzas, and all meals and all. But after 5, 6 days, 7 days, you're like, I don't want to have such heavy food, but you have to. And I was supposed to have desserts after every main meal. There was some chocolate cheesecake that this dietitian used to make, and there was this, rasgulla. I've had so much of rasgulla, I can't tell you. Because rasgulla is slightly healthier. It gives you still sugar and everything, but it's paneer, right? So,
correct.
I was having so much rasgullas. A lot of pregnant women have rasgullas actually. So I was having that. Then in 2 hours, if I'm not hungry, she's like, no, you have to have a cheese slice then if you're not hungry. And I'm like, okay. So and मैं कुछ पी भी रही हूँ तो she was like, don't have only water, put something in it and have. Like taking some calories wherever you can.
And you shot for Param Sundari after you lost all the weight. Then ये कैसे हो गया?
That was my condition. That was my condition because I was like, if I'm gaining 15 kilos, I want you to shoot the intro song, which is supposed to be, I'm supposed to look really good in it. I want you to shoot it after so that I have that motivation to lose weight for it. Because I was like, otherwise, boss, I'll get very comfortable eating all this.
Hats off. मानना पड़ेगा भाई, हमसे ना हो पाता. You also carried like an actual baby almost with that prosthetics of 6 kgs. Tell me seriously, did you miss it when it was like the shoot was done and वो part?
No. That was one part I never missed because what used to happen, Sangi, what used to happen was that वो 5 की अभी मुझे ऑप्शन था कि आपको फोम बेली चाहिए तो वो बना सकते हो, हल्का सा होगा. बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट लाइक टू फील दैट वेट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अगर आप टेक में खाली सूटकेस उठा के रख रहे हो तो वो आप वैसे ही उठाओगे कि वो खाली है. जब वो भरा हुआ सूटकेस होगा तो योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंजेस. सो आई वाज लाइक, no, it's fine, give me like an actual weight. So they made it like 5-6 kilos. Now the thing was that it was here, but it was hanging from here.
Oh, so your shoulders also gone,
huh?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so my shoulders, my back was like really gone, but I'm assuming when women are pregnant, they do end up getting backache because of the same thing, because there's so much weight here. Yeah, so my shoulders and my back was gone, obviously, and but the way I sit, the way I get up, the way I walk, everything kind of changed with that.
Complete this for me, Kriti. Kriti is incomplete without Dash.
Incomplete without my family.
Okay, if I could switch my life with one celebrity, who would it be?
Switch my life?
Yeah, with one celebrity. Who?
I'm very happy with my life. I don't want to switch it.
Okay, Heropanti or Mimi, which is the one closer to your heart?
Oh God, don't do this, yeah. You can't make me choose between my babies.
Come on,
it's very difficult.
Come on.
See, both are very special. Both are very special in different ways. Heropanti will always have that soft corner because it's been my first film. It's my launch in Hindi film industry. Mimi has a deeper emotion attached to it for me because I think I lived it a lot longer, a lot more deeply, purely because of the character it is and the kind of story it is.
This is a very good answer. Okay, your biggest Bollywood crush?
My biggest Bollywood crush? There's been no crush, yeah. I think I've always been a Ritik fan, and he's the only actor whose posters I've had in my room. I've said this multiple times.
Yeah.
You know, when I was a teenager and when his Kamuna Pyare had come.
One rumor that you would want to spread about yourself, and तुम चाहती हो कि लोग ये believe भी करें, वो क्या है?
One rumor. Say na, help na. Can't think of anything.
That you're doing your next film with could be that, or could be the thing that you would have never.
Anjali Bhansali.
Good one. We are leaving that also to the universe. I'm just so happy for you, Kriti, and you know that you're one of those few people who I talk to. Like, it's chill. It's not like, you know, you're a celebrity and, you know, there's an interview happening. It's never been that with you. And touch wood, you've been the same through the years, and I love it. And I know it's been a difficult lockdown period for all of us, for you all the more, and giving you the tightest hug. I wish we were in front of each other. मेरे को इतना कुछ अपडेट देना है, पता है मेरी लाइफ में इतना कुछ हो गया.
Really?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
You have a separate interview for that.
I will tell you. I shall update you very soon.
But I want you to tell me how you like the film. I genuinely want to know how you like the film.
I will, and I always do with all your films, even with this one, and I'm very excited. So yeah,
Thanks.
I'm sure it's going to be doing well. Lots of love.